How would you like to build a profitable sales funnel using Clickfunnels in just under 10 minutes with zero coding required? In this video, we will build a profitable sales funnel step by step that will show you how to convert your visitors and turn them into customers. Alright guys, so what is a sales funnel, right? What exactly is the difference between a website and a sales funnel? To put this into simple terms for you guys to understand better, let's just imagine that with a funnel, you have this salesperson. This salesperson is the best salesperson in your store or in your business. And this salesperson takes the customer straight through the buying experience and closes the deal for you. Now, the way a website works is, now think of that store that has no salesperson and pretty much is a free-for-all. Lets the customer just watch everything, go around the store. It has the home, it has the about us, the contact us. It just has so much stuff that gets your visitor lost. Right here, keyword lost. Now with a sales funnel, your customer does not get lost. It's a straight action. You get the landing page, a sales page, you collect their money, you can hit them with some upsells, and you deliver the product. Having a website is outdated. The best investment you can make today is to start using sales funnels. So let's break down why you need to have a sales funnel in your business today. Sales funnels are the future. It has a proven track record of success for businesses like dentists, blogger, speakers, gym owners, business consultants, and many more businesses. It pretty much works for any business model out there. Creating a funnel is so easy, you can make one as soon as today. So you're asking, what exactly do I need to make a funnel, right? So first, you need a domain. You first need to get a domain name so you can register that on Clickfunnels. And to get a domain, you can go right here on my website. The link is in the description below. You go ahead and click it. And once you get there, you can search up your domain, whatever domain you desire, and buy that domain. So as we get to Namecheap, here's the domain. Let's make funnels.com. Search. You go ahead and search the domain that you're interested in. You see if it's available. Let's see, for this domain, let's make funnels.com, and it is loading. It's been registered last year, but that's how you can see what's taken. If we just add today, it most likely is available. Let's make funnelstoday.com. Add to cart and you buy your domain for $8.88 a year. Next step you need to do is you go and sign up to Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels gives you a 14-day free trial just to try it out. So if we go ahead and click it, we end up at Clickfunnels website, and you go ahead and start your 14-day free trial. Alright, and once you click on free trial, it takes you to this page right here where you can create your account, no contracts, you can downgrade or cancel anytime with a single click from your dashboard. You just enter your name, your email, your password, and you start building. So let's go ahead and make a dummy account. And we go ahead and click start building my first funnel. So let's see. What is the next process on this? Okay, so now this is where you go. Hey Mike, welcome to Clickfunnels. Pick which plan to get started with. You can downgrade at any time. Most popular. The most popular is a 14-day free trial, $0, Clickfunnels Platinum. 14-day free trial, no contracts, cancel anytime. After that, it'd be the $297 a month, or you can click the $97 a month. I currently only use the $97 a month, so you can start that. But since you have a free trial, I would say start with the most expensive plan and get access to everything, including FunnelFlex. FunnelFlex is where they have all their training, and you can check all this stuff out for free for 14 days, guys. No strings attached. So let's just go ahead and do this. Select the plan. Next up, they want your billing info. So you go ahead and put all your information in. We're not going to go ahead and move forward with this because I already have all my info on there. They do have cancel anytime. And just to show you what the next steps would be is the one funnel away challenge offer, and you get a free t-shirt, and it's a pretty neat t-shirt, guys. Now you might be asking yourself, why should you use Clickfunnels? Well, for one, it's easy to use. It's so easy to use that they have all these templates you can choose from, and they're so simple to navigate through as a simple drag and drop. Another cool feature that Clickfunnels has, it has funnel flicks. So if you're a Clickfunnels member, you get access to free training. If you have the most expensive plan, you get everything unlocked, but since I have the $97 a month plan, I have some things that are locked. But all the training you actually need is free. If you go ahead and go to funnel building, let's scroll down a little bit more, and you go to funnel builder secrets. This actual course right here teaches you the ins and outs of Clickfunnels, and that's so amazing. It's pretty much all this stuff here, teaching you how to launch your funnel, how to make money with your funnel, how to do copywriting for your funnel. It even has templates and offers. It's pretty crazy, guys, how much things Clickfunnels offers for free inside of it. Okay, guys, so now that we went through all that and we are inside of Clickfunnels, we're gonna get familiar with the platform right now. Pretty much this is how the homepage looks like. Your account information would be over here on the right. Pretty much all you need is how to make a funnel is right here. Clickfunnels section, funnels, contacts, sales, funnel marketplace, and build a funnel. So this is where you go ahead and build your first ever funnel. Contacts is how many people are subscribed to your email list. We have follow-up funnels. We have backpack. This is only for the more expensive premium plan, but all you need is a basic plan to start off. And once you're making money and you see your return on investment, you can upgrade on that plan. Over here is access to the funnel flicks training that I mentioned earlier, where Russell Brunson has gone out of his way, and I don't know any other funnel building software that does it just like Clickfunnels. I don't know any. Right here would be your sales that your funnel is converting on. Right here would tell you, the top funnels that you actually work on the most on follow-up funnel stats. So it'll tell you how many contacts you got today, yesterday, contacts that asked to be removed from your list, and total contacts that you have. You have a calendar of events that they might have, virtual hackathon, challenge funnels, and so many things that you can be involved with Clickfunnels. If we go over here to account settings, guys, you're gonna go ahead and see all these things that you can actually utilize. So sub users is to give access to other people to use your Clickfunnels account, your account billing information. Page templates are pages that you want to use as templates. Digital assets here is going to be very useful. It's where you actually upload your favicons. If you're not familiar what a favicon is, it's the reason you see this right here. Clickfunnels has their logo there. That's a favicon. Integrations is where you'll actually integrate your autoresponders, emails, and a bunch of other things. Payment gateway is where you actually set up your Stripe account or whatever account you're using to actually get money sent straight to your bank account after you get that sale on your funnel. Email integration is pretty much the same thing, just it has its own separate section. Domains is where you add your domain name, just like we mentioned earlier that you get it on Namecheap. You'd upload that domain on here and pretty much get it connected to your Clickfunnels account. But now let's go to the fun stuff, guys. Let's build a funnel in less than 10 minutes, and you're gonna see why funnels are the way to go, and you will no longer need a website that loses your consumer, your customer, and you lose that sale, because with a funnel you're gonna get that sale and your business is gonna make much more money. So let's go ahead and not choose any of these template stuff, and you're gonna see all these options of funnels that you can actually create. A squeeze page, a reverse squeeze page if you're having a product launch, if you're an e-commerce spot, if you want to bridge the customer and get them to the next step of your funnel. Do you want to give them something away for free? A lead magnet, invisible funnel, a membership funnel. There's so many funnels you can choose, guys. Let's do a freaking lead magnet. Where is it at? A lead magnet funnel. Let's select this funnel, and then you're gonna see that it is only 2 pages long, and you can always add more to it, but the most basic one is a 2-page long. And then here's some templates that you can actually choose from. So we're gonna go ahead and actually choose this one because example I'm going to use is fitness. So let's go ahead and choose it. You get to see a little preview here if you want to use it. And let's get the funnel. Alright guys, so now that your funnel has been sent to your back office, this is what you see here. And let me go over the steps of what all this stuff is here. So stats is where you'll actually get the stats of how many people are going to your page. As you can see here, page views, how many people are actually opting in and putting their emails on there. Contacts would be where you see these emails. And then settings is where you can actually add some other things on there, where you can rename your funnel, where you can put a selected group that you want to have it in, where you can add the domain. This would be the URL, the end code of the URL, where you insert the favicon that you want on there. Head tracking code would be for Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, so you can track, everything that's going on your website, on your funnel. And then these are other integrations that you can go ahead and add, and you would save and update this. Okay, so now going back to this, we're gonna go ahead and jump in there, and we're just gonna start editing this page already. So let's go ahead and click edit page so you can see how simple and easy it is to create a simple sales funnel with Clickfunnels. Okay guys, so breaking down everything on here for you guys so you can understand it. We have a desktop view, we have a mobile view, and you can actually optimize each page for a specific view. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and show you how you can edit per mobile or per desktop only. So when it's highlighted in green, that's the section, that's the main section of the page. So if you click section here, you can go ahead and click mobile only, so that section will show up only in mobile. And now you can also have desktop only, or you can have all, so it could show up on all platforms. So like for example, if you see this website here, right, and you don't want that right here, this introducing a free video guide to show up on your mobile, but you want it here on your desktop, all you gotta do is go to settings and you gotta say desktop only. That way when I click mobile, it's gone, it's no longer there guys. Pretty cool, pretty neat thing you can do there. But let's leave it on all. Another thing on here is your settings. So integrations actually where you're gonna go ahead and add your email autoresponder, the action that it does, and what list you want to add it on. So I'll give more info on this in a bit. The other one that's actually very important that people don't pay attention to is your SEO metadata. So this right here is where you name your page. If you see here this SEO preview, this is what it shows on Google. So when you're Googling a website, it's very important that it has a catchy phrase here, Breeze lead magnet. This is not gonna entice anybody to click. So you need to have a catchy title. So if we're doing fitness, so since this example is a yoga pose, but we're gonna change this up. Say or actually something better, or free do home fitness program. Our free do at home fitness program. In 5 easy steps. Boom. That's gonna actually hook someone much more than the website name. And then a description. This description is what shows up here in the bottom, something that also entices the potential lead. And you can add keywords that will help it rank on Google search term, your name, and an image that when they share this, that image is what's going to show up. We also have background, typography in general, which are other things that we'll jump into in a little later time. So now let's break down what all these mean here. So if you see this green here, right, this is a section. This is your website section, and it's divided in a few sections. If I am not mistaken, this little lead magnet only has one section, but we can add more sections. So if I want to go ahead and add a section, if I click full width and I drag it down here, I just created a new section. Did I lose it? Add a section, full width, drop. There you go. Now it's building the section. So I just added a new section here to our funnel. Now the next step in how Clickfunnels works is you add a row. So if you click this, you can choose a row with any of these layouts that you want. If you want it to just be a 1 column like this, or do you want a 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, and more. So let's do a 2 column. So we added the 2 column and look at this, I just added it to the wrong spot. So we're gonna go ahead and simple with these arrows, we place it back to where it should be. Very easy to navigate, very easy to use. Now that we have the column section, we go to elements. So if you go ahead and click elements here, it opens up this page of many elements that you can actually use. So we can add an image right here, and you just drag it. You can add a bullet list and you just add that. It's a pretty easy to use tool to build your funnel. Now it's easy to also delete things. So if we go ahead and delete it, we go ahead and we don't want this, we go ahead and delete that. Now if you want to change your background, you are probably wondering, oh well, how do I do it, right? So if you go here under settings, there's background. It has a set background image right now. We can actually erase that image or see what kind of custom images they have. Let's see. They have some really cool designs here. Let's click this blue with look at this, guys. Pretty neat thing here with Clickfunnels. Now if you want to go ahead and change the color of this right here, you make sure you're clicking on the section always shows in green. You click settings. Right here you got background color, it's white right now. We want to change that to black. Boom, look at that. Looks pretty neat, guys. White is actually better, so let's go back to white and let's change that. If you want to change how this looks, right now this is a wide view, a medium view. So if we want it to be a full website view, we would change it to full page, and boom, look at that, you have a full page website. But what we've noticed is that when you're trying to sell a funnel, medium sites convert better because it's better for the eye to just straight focus here on what this call to action is. And now we hit a free video guide, my favorite top 10 yoga poses, right? So let's just change this to my top fitness program that helped hundreds of people lose weight in 8 weeks. Boom. You have a catchy phrase here, a catchy headline, and then you're offering a free video guide or whatever you want to put. If you don't want to do a video guide, you want to do a PDF, you can write PDF. You can just change this up however you want. It's so easy to navigate through, it's so easy to use. My free PDF to my top fitness program that helped hundreds of people lose weight in 8 weeks. Download guide today. Boom. We don't even need this, guys. Boom, erase that. Now right here is the call to action, name, email, and submits the email page. If they go ahead and click this, it submits to the email page. Alright guys, this is so easy, right, to navigate and use Clickfunnels as your funnel building software, and you can create a beautiful, amazing funnel. And this converts much better than a website, because if you look at the concept of this, right, it's focused in the way where it's promoting this program, it's promoting your product and making that call to action where you're collecting their email. Now let me explain how this email thing works, right? You pretty much run your funnel in a advertisement, right? You want to put this in front of people, so usually you run this as a Facebook or a Google ad, right? You run it as an ad. That ad actually gets you traffic to that funnel, right? So now thanks to that ad, people landed on this funnel. So this is your funnel, right? And inside of that funnel you have that email opt-in. So now that you have that email opt-in, what happens? you end up getting a lead. So we add this here, and this email opt-in becomes a potential customer, because now you have that email and they follow through with the plan that they might be a potential customer. Now here's the best part, what a funnel does, and the website doesn't do this. The funnel makes it so simple that you collected this email, you push them to an offer, and if they say no to that offer, you can downsell them. If they didn't want that offer that you took them to, it does a downsell. Boom. Downsell offer. Now let's say they just did not buy anything, right? So you got their email. That's the best part. Now that you have their email, if we put this arrows here, sorry for my designs, they're a little ugly. Boom, boom, boom. You can forever target that potential customer. You will have their email forever as long as they stick with you. So email one, you can try to sell them that offer again. Maybe 3 days later, you want to try a different thing. You want to give them some value so they can learn who you are, earn trust. Then you can also do email 3 and so on. But see this right here, this is a email autoresponder, and thanks to your funnel, you're able to create options like this where you can potentially target your customer endlessly. How do you set this up? Well, you pretty much add the integration here, like I mentioned earlier, and you get an email autoresponder. And there's many autoresponders out there. My favorite is GetResponse, and that's the one I use. It's very easy and simple to use. Okay, but going back into this funnel, this is how easy it is to create a funnel. And if you have any questions, if you need any help with funnel building, just leave a comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to see in what way I can help you. And I hope this helped you understand what a funnel is, what the potential of having a funnel over a website can do for your business, how you can generate more leads, get more sales, and just make more money. Thanks for watching. This was Mike with howtomakefunnels.com.